Hey guys, today's review includes three parts. First is open box. Second is how to wear it. Third, I'm going to use it for a fishing trial. You see different color, I choose black for the main set. And open box review, here comes the main set for the phone neck holder. You can see here's a phone holder. You can rotate it in a different angle. This is a menu. It's actually including very detailed how to install or wear it. And next is the strong magnetic ring. This is gonna stick on the back of your phone, a very strong magnetic sticking force. This is a Gopro header or holder, also including two actual metal ring in case if your phone case is not metal, that's gonna provide the strong sticking force to hold it to the neck holder. All right, so put it back. And here is the safety strap. You can connect to the GoPro, connect to the phone in case it's falling. This is the most important piece, to my opinion. This is the strap, which is going to stabilize the whole set to your body, especially when you're walking. This is how to connect it. You put it in one side and pull the trigger, it's come off. You can also rotate this phone holder. This is important. You want to show different angle. There are actually two joints. One is on bottom, the other thing is in the middle. Here is the silicone strap. It's covered silicone strap, very comfort to wear, very soft, and you can come with different shape. Talking about different weight, the whole weight is 279 gram. What if we added the magnetic ring? It come out with a 366 gram. Now here's how to wear it. You put those main strap around the neck and then put the phone in the phone holder. Also adjust the phone holder angle. Here comes the important step. Make sure the strap is actually around both arms of the set. This is going to stabilize the whole set when you walk. This is very important, especially for the outdoor video streaming. Now you can see after you put it on, you can jump, you can walk. It's actually not come off from your neck. Here is how I use it before the fishing trial. I put it around my neck, very stable. I'm using this top water fishing lure so we can have more action from the surface. You can see how it goes and have long cast. And you can see on the top of the screen, here's the popper lure. You can see it's a pop. Again, this video is recorded by using the phone neck holder. Everything's very stable. The video quality stabilization is really good. You can still see the top water action from the top lures. Overall, I really like this phone neck holder. I will give it 5 stars. Good quality, very easy to install, and the most important thing, to my opinion, is it come up with the stabilization strap. That's the 3-part review for today. Thank you.